Got a great question the other day about the value of a demo reel for video editors, motion graphic designers, animators, and the like. Are they still useful, or how do I create a really, really good one? For me, the demo reel is really just a gateway, a business card, if you will. Hey, here's a quick look at what I can do. If you're interested, I'd love to talk more. Because, the demo reel, I don't put a lot of value in the demo reel other than the fact that it at least shows me the kind of work that you've done. If I want to hire you as an artist, especially as a video editor, well, I want to know what you can really do. And in order to see what you've really done, that takes a portfolio. So yes, demo reel, give me a 60-second teaser of what you can do. But then more importantly, you should have a website that has a portfolio of your entire work, start to finish. If you've cut an entire TV show, if you've cut an entire short film, if you cut commercials, I want to see the entire thing start to finish. I need to know where your strengths lie because, think about it. Documentary storytellers are different than commercial editors, are different than trailer editors, are different than episodic television editors. Everybody kind of has a style and a sweet spot. And yes, all editors can do everything. But if I'm looking for an editor for a specific project or a specific hire, I need to see. If it's a 10-minute piece, I want to see the entire thing. I can't tell in a demo reel that's been slickly edited to music, what exactly did you do? Did you do that animation? Did you do the graphic? Did you do the color grading? What exactly did you do? So for me, the demo reel should first of all, should be no longer than 60 seconds, and it should just be an introduction, a teaser into who you are, and then lead me to a portfolio where I can really see what you can do.